Hey YouTube, Shay Love Hair here with another crochet video. This is the Kima Ocean Wave hair. I have it in a 1B, a 4, and a 27. I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks to get it looking like bundles so they can be like, what crochet girl? Yes. All right, so you guys, it's morning and I've done this install all night just about. um and it takes so long for me because I split the hair. I do not like blocky crochet. I'm pretty sure I just made that word up. But if you wear crochet hair, you know what I'm talking about. Like the individual strands, like you can just see them. Like I don't like it. So anyway, this is the install. If you want to know all my tips and tricks on how I install crochet hair, like my braiding pattern, what I do to lock the knots, all of that, like you see I'm pulling those pins out, that's all a part of it. If you want to see that, go to the crochet secrets video that I've already posted. I will also link it down in the description box, so go to that. That is using a different hair, but that doesn't matter because I generally use the same braiding pattern and the same tips, same tricks on each install. So that shouldn't, matter. So anyway, go look at that video if you want to know, how to get the base flat and all of that information. Okay. But this video is just going to be strictly, me basically finessing the hair, just, bringing it into full, as Kiki would say. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to brush the hair. Isn't that a surprise, right? You're going to brush the hair starting at the bottom, working your way up to the roots. You don't want to brush the knots. That's very important. But you'll just brush it all the way out. That sounds scary, right? But it's okay, girl. It's okay. I promise the curl will come back. You'll see. You'll see. And I apologize, you guys, for my voice. I'm still trying to get over this bronchitis I had. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna basically let you guys watch what I'm doing. I'm using small sections, brushing the hair out a little bit at a time. Take your time. You definitely want to hold your hair, like hold the top of it. As you can see, like I'm holding it and then brushing it because you don't want to apply you don't want to put too much strain on your actual hair. But yeah, just watch. Oh, and I should also add that I used 5.5 packs of hair for this install. And yes, you will have some shedding. That's okay. Basically, it's just saving you from all the shedding later. All the little loose strands and stuff that didn't get locked in. It'll be in the brush. So that'll save you or your client some time from, having to pull it for like the next 2 or 3 days and get it all out when it works its way down to the bottom. So it's all good. It won't be much shedding at all once you brush through it. So yeah. Okay, so this is the hair all brushed out, just showing you how it's supposed to look. Like I said, girl, don't worry, the curls will come back, though. I think that's kind of cute too, but it's still too much hair for me. I just feel like cousin it right now, like it's just a whole lot. And that's just the ends of it. So yeah, brush it out, and next it's time to cut it. Yeah, let's cut this hair, okay? This is what I call the sauce. This is applying the sauce for me. That little bit of extra, a little bit to be like, hold up. She thinks she cute. She is cute. Yeah, so just keep watching. So now that you have an idea of what I'm doing, let's speed this up, shall we? And basically, I start at the bottom, establishing my desired length, and I work my way up to the root or to the knot. I cut it higher than usual, higher than most people who actually cut it. And the reason why is because the more you cut it, first of all, the less, well, yeah, the less weight is on the hair. And the less weight that's on the hair, the more it will curl up. And for me, I mean, it's good on other people, but for me, when it's flat at the root and then it just comes down and just starts to curl like right by your eyebrow, to me, it just looks so fake. Like it looked like the sew-in where, you know, the hair is like a body wave and then you put your leave out on there, you flat iron your weave out because you can't get it to body wave. Like, I don't know. I just don't like it. So I wanted to curl up right from the root, okay, from the root. So that's what makes me go up a little higher and just trim it a little bit. And it's only like a few strands, like it's not a whole bunch where it'll look like a big old box bang or something gone wrong. Like it's just enough to where it'll curl up at the top as well, like it's coming from the root. So you guys will see that. Yeah, just continue to watch. And don't forget the back, you guys. The back is important. Like some people, like your hair be layered for the guys, like in the front, and then in the back it's just like the same length from the top to the bottom. Like, where is it? You gotta make sure that when you walk away, they still got their mouth dropped. So don't forget the back. The back is important. I know it's harder to do the back, but I mean, ladies, it's crochet. If you mess up some parts of it, pull them strands out and put some more in there and go back to the drawing board. I'm telling you. But, you know, don't forget the back. It's important. And you see over here on this side, you see that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I hate that. So let's fix it. And ladies, remember, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled by the video, okay? Like a lot of people, like we watch these YouTube videos and they're like 8 seconds and it's slayed from top to bottom. So you think you got 8 seconds to do this hair. Take your time. In all actuality, like, okay, this video is probably about 13, 14 minutes at the most. But I cut this hair for about 30 minutes, like 30 minutes at least, okay? So take your time, don't rush through it. Realize that all these videos is like time lapse, like it's speeded up. So, in real life, we taking our time. So you take yours, get it right. And so all I'm doing here, basically, I'm flipping through the hair. I'm trying to make sure that I didn't miss anything. I'm also just checking out to seeing which ways I'm going to wear the hair, which way I like it the best, all of that good stuff. If you want a video, sorry, I can't talk. If you want a video on how I style the hair, like I do different styles, I can do that for you. Also, I can do a refresh video, kind of show you guys how we keep it refreshed, a nighttime routine, any of that stuff you want to know. I know I hear a lot of people saying that, oh my God, the hair tangles so bad. What do I do? What do I do? And there's definitely ways to combat that. It is not a low maintenance style. I have said that on several videos. You're not going to be able to just go with this hair. Like, you're going to have to get up and do things to it in the morning to make sure it's slayed all day. I mean, that's just what it is. So if you want to know what those things are, hit me in the comments or in the inbox like you usually do and let me know. And I'll have these videos coming out for you guys in the, over this next month while I have this hair in. So, yep, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to check out my Facebook group. We love hair. We have a lot of fun in that group, so please check us out. Also, I have a giveaway for some bundles. Learn more about that is posted on my channel and also in the Facebook group. So make sure to check that out, okay? Anyway, I'll let you guys just watch. I know I come back in this video once I've gotten dressed and put my makeup on so you can see the full slay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please share this video. Please like this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe because there's a lot more to come in 2019. So you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love each and every one of you guys. Peace and blessings.